Hey guys, I'm at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. We're gonna do a little walk around on this 2023 Jeep Wrangler Willys. It's gonna feature the 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo. Behind that is the 8-speed automatic transmission. And then included in this Willys package, you're gonna get the XR fender extensions, 35-inch tires with the Mopar beadlock capable wheels. I'll do a little walk around on the exterior and then I'll open the driver's door and the back seats in the trunk and let you have a look at the interior. But other than that, appreciate you guys watching. Also note, we got the black 3-piece hardtop. Got 32,420 miles. Here's our back seat view from the driver's side.